Hello everyone, I'm SHHH. You're watching my YouTube channel, Trade Contractor. Today I'd like to show you how I day trade. Uh, let's go. Here we are. I mentioned before that I use two platforms for my day trading. I watch the stock movement throughout the day using TD Ameritrade platform. It's a free platform. You can download it and it's very convenient to use. It gives you tremendous amount of information. Please go to YouTube and watch and learn how to use TD Ameritrade. As a day trader, you must have something like that installed on your computer, and I strongly advise you use it. All right, right here you're seeing Tesla. Tesla stock is one of the best stocks for day traders. It moves up and down multiple times throughout the day, presenting unique opportunities to make money. For example, right here, if you purchase stock at $313 at the beginning of trade session, you could have sold it at 319, maybe a little bit below, at 9:53, 23 minutes later. $6 apart, 100 shares, $600. The stock then drops like a rock to the bottom of the pool, to back to 313, just to rebound back to 317, another $4, 100 shares, $400, $1,000 profit in 1 hour 14 minutes. Incredible. All right, so I will show you how I execute my orders on Robinhood. That's the platform that I've been using for about a year. It's simple to use. It doesn't take long to figure out how to use, and of course there is tons of information on how to do so on YouTube. So let me switch to my Robinhood account. Okay, here's my Robinhood account opened on Tesla page. As you can see, it's the same chart but much less detailed. To buy stock, it shows now buy Tesla. If I had shares already, it would say buy, and next to it would be sell. But because I don't have any shares at this point, I will click right here and put a limit order, because I'd like to buy not at the market price. I hope to get better price. At this point, it's $316.21. Let me put 320. 316.20. I'd like to buy one share. Review order. Click buy. And the stock moved up to 316.30. It might take a while, and that's what happens. Sometimes you just need to be patient for your order to be executed. 316.21. So hopefully you'll see that the order got executed, and I'll show you. Yes, purchased, done. So I've got one stock, and here's a good example. My cost is 316.20 and the price now 316.18. So if I sell now, I will lose 2 cents. So I would like to sell and make profit. So again, I will put limit order, and let's say I'm fine with 1 cent profit. I'll put 316.21. Click 1 and push the button sell. And I just made 1 cent. All right. Of course, we all hope that your trades will bring you more than just 1 cent profit. As I said, It's not that complicated to make $100 in less than 10 minutes by day trading major stocks, especially Tesla. But please be aware, there is always a risk. You have to learn, you have to study, you got to be lucky too. All right. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.